Hello and welcome to another AQA GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the third paper in the higher tier of the June 2017 AQA 8300 series past papers. We're picking up in question 11, and this is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. Okay, it says purple paint is made by mixing red paint and blue paint in the ratio of 5:2. Jan has 30 litres of red paint and 9 litres of blue paint. What is the maximum amount of purple paint he can make? Okay, so what we learn from this question is that 5 litres of red plus 2 litres of blue equals 7 litres of purple. Now Jan has 30 litres of red paint and 9 litres of blue paint, and we want to know what's the maximum amount of purple paint that he can make. Okay, so we need to find out which he's going to run out of first. Is he going to run out of red paint first, or is he going to run out of blue paint first? Well, let's experiment with the red paint. So let's pretend he's got enough blue paint and he's using up all his red paint. He's got 30 litres of red paint and he needs 5 litres to make a single batch. So he can make 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6 batches. Okay, so what about his blue paint? Well, he's got 9 litres and he's using 2 litres for a batch. So 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5 batches. And if you didn't know that, you can just use a calculator. So he can make 4.5 batches of purple paint. So 4.5 batches is less than 6 batches, so he's going to run out of blue paint before he runs out of red paint. So the maximum amount he can make is if we just take these number of batches and multiply by 7 litres per batch. So 4.5 times 7. Well, 4 times 7 is 28, and 0.5 times 7 is half of 7, which is 3.5, and 28 plus 3.5 is 31.5. So he can make a total of 31.5 litres. Of course, you are allowed to use a calculator if you want to. Alright, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.